Welcome to Rides and Bullies.
Okay guys, magandang hapon. Lumabas ako just within the Pasig area. I'm from Pasig, so I'm not violating anything as far as quarantine is concerned. I went out to get some supplies. Dinaanan ko na lang si isang sticker shop, Ryan Customs, kasi I heard na meron siyang bagong cover ng face mask that's protector for us populace, and then gusto ko makita. So dali ko muna yung ibang mga gamit, and then I'm gonna speak to the owner, Ryan Customs, para makita ang bagong mask that's gonna be helpful for everybody. Maybe who knows, maybe gusto nyo, and it's gonna be helpful, and I know naman he's trying to help. He does this, so that's a good thing. Sa daming negosyong pwede niyang gawin, daming stickers niya pwedeng gawin, yan yung ginawa niya. Nag-isip pa siya ng ganun. So it's an unselfish act, and I'm promoting that. Anyone who helps another one is actually the person who has a heart. Anyone who wants to help, it's always genuine. So let's go. Tingnan ko muna yung gamit ko sa likod, and then I will have to make this quick kasi syempre quarantine. So let's go. Yep. So supposedly magpapasticker ako ng mga gamit ko for my bike. Kailangan ko ng new stickers for my bike, right? So I'm gonna do this quick. And then, so guys, here na ako, stickers. Look, if you can see at the back, that's Ryan Customs right there. Meron ako stickers, I got it. Yeah, this is for my Ducati bike. So I'm done with it. Babalik ko lang sa car. Okay. And lagay ko lang. So that's it. Lagay ko lang. So we're gonna go to Ryan right now, and I'm gonna talk to him. I saw the stuff. It's actually very nice, so I can't wait for you guys to see it, okay? So guys, nasa loob na ako with Ryan Customs. Nandito si Ryan. Hey bro, Ryan Customs, owner and CEO of whole Ryan Customs Sticker. This is his shop right now. Yan. So he does my stickers for all my bikes ever since. Years na akong nakaka-receive ng good service dito kay Ryan. And this is his stuff. That's his Raptor, crazy Raptor right there. And then his custom upgraded GTA T6, tama ba? Toyota. So right now, meron siyang mask. That I saw the mask. It's amazing. It can be used for corporate affairs, corporate setting, usual. Meron siyang class A, B, C. Meron mga regular ones, and we have the premium ones. So right now, we're gonna go check the stuff, and si Ryan na mag-explain sa inyo. Alright, let's go. So guys, dito na sa mga stocks, we have about 7,000 masks available right now. They can produce about 1,000 plus a day. So ito na ang mga stocks available. They're also making, we have also at the back, marami ng stocks sa likod. So they're all ready. A lot of people have been ordering. Marami na ring mga government units na nag-order because it's actually useful. So let's go to Ryan's office. Let's go. So dito tayo sa loob ng office ni Ryan. Crazy office. Para kang wala sa Pilipinas pag nandito ka. It's crazy. So, bro, tell me about the mask.
Okay, ito yung product natin. Okay. So yung base niya is acrylic 3mm. Okay. So laser cut siya. So kung mapapansin nyo siya, malinis yung cutting. Okay, here. So yung pinaka-shield, so
yun, may cover siya sa labas before pagbili niyo. Meron talaga siyang clear plastic sa labas and then sa loob. So para at pag nakuha nyo, talagang alam mong hindi ginamit and nothing has been splattered or whatsoever. Wala siyang kahit na inang dumi.
Okay, so yun. Ang maganda dito sa product na to, it's reusable and washable. So yung ginamit nating shield, no? So kung mapapansin ng iba,
so tinanggal na yung first coat and then first, second, and inner and outer film, no?
Yes. Okay. Kung mapapansin natin, compare sa other companies na nagbebenta, mas makapal yung acetate na ginamit natin.
Yun, acetate.
We're using garter na rin for para madali siya isuot, komportable sa ulo. Okay. Yeah. So meron din siyang insulation foam para hindi masakit sa noo. Okay. So actually paganto siya siya.
Alright, so ito natin.
Yan. So
okay, here you go. See guys? Yeah. So sa likod, if you look at it, diretso lang, easy to put on, easy to don. And like that. So if ever magkakausapin mo siya, nakaganyan, laway mo nandito, at least hindi siya yung binitin hanggang dito lang, no, hanggang dito. So, contingency planning siya na more on the side, and more sa baba. So, completely covered ka. Even sa taas, wala siyang waste na if ever meron tayong airborne or splatters of saliva. So, we're just trying to help. I'm glad na he was able to make this idea. It's an unselfish act for me. Tulong na rin sa bayan natin, sa kapwa natin Pilipino. So this is actually very good. So Ryan, yung ganito, magkano ba siya?
Okay, we're selling this for 150 pesos each.
150.
Pero kung gagamitin siya for donation, for binibigay namin na mas mababa.
Okay.
For 130 pesos.
Wow, ang bait niyo sir, So, we only have one product or may extra pa tayo na pwede natin siyang what is this? Reinvent, i-upgrade, what is this?
Actually, this is the beta version of the face shield So, sa upcoming weeks, meron tayong mga version 2 na, version 3, magkakaroon ng premium type, mga pangbata. So, ayun, yun yung...
So, at least may mga sizes pala siya. And, of course, basically universal, right? Universal.
Yes,
pero
universal.
Meron kung upon request na meron tayong sizing, possible.
Pwede naman.
Alright. So, if God's will na ma-lift yung mga quarantine natin, enhanced quarantine natin, definitely mga corporate, mga offices, everyone who's employed definitely will be needing this one. Baka maging batas na yan, na everybody has to wear that. So if ever ang mga companies, whatever companies na pwedeng humingi ng mga ideas na ganito, I would promote this one. So if ever Ryan, pwede bang lagyan ng pangalan yan? What is this?
Actually, pwede siya, customizable siya. So yung upper part na to, so pwede dito yung company name. Dito pwede mga logo, ganyan. So kung kunyari designation, security or sales, staff, so pwede dito. So pwede siya i-customize.
Alright. So at least guys, you have a choice now. You can use it in the house, you can use it outside. Meron tayong mga class A, class B. Pero just to be sure, standard yan. Kahit class A, class B yan, it does the same job na it will protect you. Just the fact that kapag gusto nyo na i-customize, lagyan ng pangalan, konting mga changes na upon your request, please contact Ryan Customs right here. It's just sa Pasig, sa Kalawaan Bridge area. Or he has a Facebook page, Ryan Customs, and then contact him like that. Nandun yung mga details nila. But this is really good. And then may mga nabigay siyang sticker sa akin. Pakita ni Ryan yung sticker. It looks like this. It looks like this. So ang nakalagay dito, please stay at home, save lives, because that's what's needed right now. So may mga stickers tayo. If ever pag nag-order kayo, pagbibigay si Ryan sa mga ganyan, and put it on your car, put it everywhere, just conspicuous places, para you guys will be reminded that this is what we're doing. We're doing this as a united family, united the unity. It's a unified effort. Kasi we all need to save lives. We all need to stay home. Don't think about yourself. Think about the others. Be a blessing. So this is what you need to do. So thank you, Ryan. Thank you, brother. Thank you talaga. Tas nag-alcohol na kami. So thank you very much. You guys be safe. And then please subscribe if you like this. This is very helpful, guys. And share this because we all need to help.